Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you some Canva animation techniques. Create new design and select presentation size and upload your photo. I will work with this photo and resize it and make it fit with the page and go to text. Create first text for this. Each person with a special number. Choose Barlow font and write like Squid Game. And look for good font. We will choose, I think Lovelo is better. Yes. And go to elements and look for rectangle. I think this is better. We'll choose border and the white color or any color as you want. And look for circle also. Like this. And triangle also. Like this. Change the color to any color. We'll take this. And now go to elements and look for a rectangle or circle half like this and make it with big size. And go to position and make it under those and move it. Think it is need to make it big, to make it bigger. Duplicate the page and move this shape to this person and make the shape small. this also. Move these figures. Duplicate the page again and move this to this person. And his number also. And duplicate again. Move the shape to this person. And edit his number. Those objects also. And decrease the transparency for this shape. And copy the style for others. And now go to transition, select match and move, and increase the time, and press apply between all pages. Now we will see our animation. Now our animation is ready. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and thank you for watching this video.